The Pitman Training Event Management Diploma is one of Ireland's leading event management qualifications. The programme combines all the elements and skills needed to bring together memorable, stress-free and successful events. With this diploma programme, you'll learn the importance of being ultra-organised and having a clear plan to coordinate large groups of people, marketing for maximum success, and taking care of the little details. The diploma is divided into 2 parts: core courses and elective courses. Core courses are mandatory and include event management essentials, Facebook or Twitter for business, health and safety essentials, marketing essentials, social media strategy, successful meetings and minutes, WordPress for business, project management, and more. Elective courses are also included, and you have the option to select 2 courses most relevant to your career and training objectives, including Photoshop, Word, PowerPoint, team development, effective business communication, and more. After successfully completing your diploma, you'll have the real-world skills and a highly recognised qualification to work in a range of valued and well-paid roles, such as event manager, marketing assistant, or marketing manager. You could even look at opening your own events management company. We have centres worldwide, and our training centre in Kerry is conveniently located at Monavalley Business Park in Tralee, with free and safe parking for all our students. Our modern, comfortable training centres are designed to ensure you have the very best training experience. Training rooms are set up to mirror real-world offices, with comfortable chairs, large multi-screen PCs, and of course a team of experienced and supportive tutors to help you with every step of your training. Pitman Training is a highly respected and award-winning organisation, specialising in career-based training for over 180 years. We now offer over 400 courses, and all are accredited by the CPD Standards Office for CPD points, as well as by a range of partners including Microsoft, Adobe, the Association of Accounting Technicians, BCS, CompTIA Digital Marketing Institute, Engineers Ireland, and many more.
I would like to thank you all so much for your support and encouragement. I can say that I really enjoyed doing the course and would recommend it to anybody.
Every one of you have been so patient, kind and helpful. This course has really helped to improve my confidence in all areas of my life.
Thanks to the amazing staff, I would highly recommend a Pitman Diploma. The training, help and advice is unparalleled.
With the skills and credibility you'll receive with your Pitman Training Diploma, you'll be able to choose the career of your dreams with the very best employers. Our graduates go on to work with some of Kerry's and Ireland's largest employers, including Bosch & Lomb, Zurich Insurance, the HSE, Mater Private Hospitals, Amazon, Apple, Bank of Ireland, Dell EMC and Sanofi. You won't regret choosing Pitman Training. We're multi-award winning, with unrivaled graduate success rates, offering over 400 CPD accredited courses, from management and HR to tech and software. Established over 180 years ago, we're now Ireland's largest network of independent training centres and a trusted training partner for some of the largest companies in the region. Our friendly team of highly skilled professionals are available to support and guide you, not just during your training, but beyond, until you reach your training or career objective. We offer the most flexible training options, meaning you can complete your diploma by training full-time, part-time, or via distance learning. You can even choose our unique Flexi student option, so you can train at times that suit you. We're now enrolling, so for more information or to request a free consultation with one of our professional course advisors, where you can discuss your exact training and career objectives, contact us now by calling us on free phone 1800 532 632 or visit www.pitman-training.ie.